Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we're doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on one gorgeous 1956 Chevrolet 3100 pickup. Now, this truck is a big back window truck. Most of the ones that you see are not. So that's kind of a rarity on this truck and something that I think a lot of people desire. I know I do. I love that big back window, that big wraparound window. This is a gorgeous truck. Very, very well built. Has a 350 crate engine under the hood with a 350 turbo automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front, vintage heat and air conditioning. Now, the odometer says what, 12,000 miles? I think 14,039 miles. So this truck was built to drive, and I'll tell you what, the body and paint are stunning. Just gorgeous paint, gorgeous bodywork, gorgeous interior, leather seat with a suede insert, door panels to match, headliner to match, leather wrapped steering wheel, tilt steering column, odometer gauges, low car shifter, gas and brake pedal. There's your vintage air controls. Nice little console down there with an indicator. The carpet's very nice. Kick panels, power windows. Well, the horn works, but we need to make it blow, huh? Bright headlight indicator. That's flashing, but I don't know if that indicator's working. It does have the stereo down here, and it's got a couple speakers, some amps back behind the seat or under the seat. This sounds tough. LED tail lights. The chrome bumpers and grille look like new. Underneath the hood, just like the outside. Alternator, serpentine belts. Yeah, that indicator must be just not flashing on the cluster, because obviously it works out here. So I just checked all the lights of this thing. Had somebody turn them on, and I checked them a little while ago, and they were all working. Like I say, just one gorgeous, gorgeous truck. Got Coddington wheels on it. Put that other signal on quick. don't mind this. I like driving this truck. Headlights are right here. There's a button down here. I don't know what that switch is for. It might be for the wipers, but I don't know how to make it turn. I don't know if it pulls or turns or what, but kind of hard to do with one hand, so. There's a few we just got pictured and videoed today. Jeep Commando, 67 GTO, 69 Dodge Dart Swinger. Down the road, very nice. Look out over top of the hood there, see that paint? Look at all the clouds. You can see all the clouds in the hood. Sorry about that, I was tilting the wheel. It's got a lot of room in this truck. It's comfortable to drive. Seat is really, really nice. Man, I wish the seat in my new Ford pickup was this nice. Runs good, drives good, stops good, does everything it's supposed to do. Get out here and give you a little walk around the outside of the truck. Truck, 56 Chevrolet 3100 big back window. Got all the right equipment on it. Just one gorgeous pickup. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So give us a call if you are interested in purchasing this 1956 Chevy pickup. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so by hitting that red subscribe button. We'd really appreciate that. The more followers, the more subscribers we get, the better we can serve everyone. So I appreciate if you do that. I hope you have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Thanks for watching.